Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Baldwin Company 8480.000 aligning tool. This is the Baldwin aligning tool that's going to be used when you are installing their estates, lever passage, privacy sets. This is going to be used when you need to locate the mounting plates on and through the door, because the position of the mounting plates is crucial to getting free and proper healthy operation out of the trim. If those plates aren't in the right location, your trim is going to bind. And while this tool certainly does increase the amount of time it would take to install a lock, I suppose it would be a lot faster than starting from scratch when the installation doesn't work. So obviously this is meant to seat into your mounting plates. You'll thread this from the opposite side. Okay, you'll tighten that down, you'll position them, get them located correctly, and then you're in good shape at that point. And additionally, according to the manufacturer, this is used to align backplates and discussions with locks for use in proper alignment of knobs, levers, roses, and discussion with mortise locks, tubular latches. I really wouldn't, you can get your mounting plates installed centered over the hole visually. You can install those. You can thread your roses on. You can put your spindle. You can get your trim down to a spindle. Put your washer on, feed it through, and then kind of, make it work. It's not the right way to do it. The upside of a Baldwin lock is once they're installed correctly, they generally stayed installed correctly. Any of these locks that have set screws that hold the trim on, the advantage is that the trim is already threaded on. So as you tighten the set screw, it is somewhat of a belt and suspenders approach in the sense that the trim is already threaded onto the spindle. The set screw will hold it in place. You won't have a lever or a knob that will just pull straight off. What might be nice, and I imagine they cannot do it, is if this is what was called a split spindle. Back in the 19th century, Yale had a split spindle that was 3 triangles, so that when you tightened your set screw, it forced the bottom triangle up into the other 2 triangles, if I can draw that, forcing those 2 outside pieces to, of course, compress against the inside wall of the trim. It might be nice if they could have this threaded, split, and a set screw. That would be neat. Overthinking it, quite obviously. What I would do is use thread lock on my set screws when I install those. If they don't already come on the set screws, I would add them, and that will help really keep the set screw right in place, and you'll have years of dependable service out of it. So, obviously if you're going to do a single dummy, you're not going to worry about it too much. But anything that's through bolted, I think you'll be very well served to install the material with the tool. Obviously it's tempting to do it without, I suppose, and I say that just because of the quantity of Baldwin hardware that I have sold over the years, and how very few of aligning tools that we sell. You put in a mortise lock and, well, you've got the function holes for where the spindle will go through, and you can kind of margin your rose mounting plate off of the spindle, but, you want that knob to be able to turn, or that lever to turn and snap right back. Anyway, I've talked enough about that. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Baldwin products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Baldwin 8480.000 aligning tool or any other Baldwin product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.